Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a cool use for an electric nail drill. I like to sand down my miniatures and my mold lines, and this has bits, it's got different grits of sandpaper and all that cool stuff, and it really helps to kind of get into those cracks and crevices, smooth out mold lines and smooth out any bumps or lumps made by epoxy, resin, or two-part epoxy like Milliput. It's a product I really enjoy. Always make sure that you wear a mask or safety protection when doing it. Obviously, you don't want the dust to get into your lungs.